Welcome po sa ating Digital Product Creation and Marketing Course webinar. Nasa tamang lugar ka kung gusto mo kumita ng 5 to 6 digits a month at kung gusto mo magkaroon ng peace of mind, time at financial freedom. So kung mag-stay ka hanggang dulo ng webinar na to, magkakaroon ka ng free ebook about starting your digital product journey. Ayan, so first, welcome po sa ating Digital Product Creation and Marketing Course webinar. Ako po si Mara, a stay-at-home mom, na tulad mo gusto ding magkaroon ng work-life balance. So dito ipapaliwanag ko kung ano bang benefits ng course na to at kung ano ang kasama niya once na inavail mo siya. So, just imagine po, no, na mababago yung buhay mo na meron ka ngayon kahit hindi mo alam kung saan ka magsisimula. Zero knowledge ka at masyadong overwhelmed sa mga nakikita mo na informations about digital products. Well, that's exactly what my course has to offer. So, let me introduce to you my digital product creation and marketing course that once you availed, you can have a lifetime access, an exclusive community na tutulong sa'yo ma-overcome kung saan ka man nahihirapan after aralin mo yung course. At the good thing here is that it has master resale rights, kaya pwede mo siya ibenta ng kahit ilang beses and gain 100% profit from it. So, ano nga ba yung digital products? Ito po yung mga items na ma-access lang natin through online. Ginagawa siya one time, pero you can sell it multiple times. Wala ka bang idea para simulan to? Wala ka bang time para gawin to dahil sa dami ng priorities? Or di ka tech savvy or expert para gawin tong digital product business? Kung isa to sa mga dahilan mo, now you don't have to worry. Dahil di ka nag-iisa, I'm here to guide you every step of the way para makarating ka sa buhay na gusto mo. Kung wala kang oras para mag-research about this digital product business, then you need a roadmap full of shortcuts. That's why I'm offering you this valuable course para naman may step-by-step guide ka on how to start your digital product journey. So baka tatanungin mo, paano ba magsimula? So first, you have to watch this webinar. Second is to enroll in my course. Study the course very well, apply what you have learned from the course, then create your own digital product, or you can resell this course as well by promoting from different platforms like TikTok, FB, IG, and lastly, be consistent, because this is how you will earn as much as you can by consistently promoting yung mga digital products mo. And remember, this is not an easy money. Ito naman po yung 3 paraan para kumita after watching the course. So number 1 is gumawa ka ng own digital products mo at ibenta or i-promote mo. Pangalawa, resell my course and keep the 100% profit. At pangatlo, pwede mo i-offer yung mga skills sa mga local and international clients mo, and lahat yan matututunan mo sa course. So, yung mga modules na nasa loob ng course, ito sila. Merong total of 72 lessons and 14 modules. And syempre, madami nang kumita by selling digital products sa loob ng community namin. And here are some of their testimonials. May mga nakabili na ng bagong phone, meron ding nakapagpatayo na ng iba't ibang business with the help of digital product selling na natutunan sa loob ng course na to. At marami pang iba. Pwede nyo din i-visit yung IG ko, mara.digitals, for more testimonies. Okay, so kung mag-enroll kayo ngayon, you can have this bonus na may resale rights na pwede nyo ding ibenta, so you don't have to really start from scratch. Yan po ang kagandahan sa pag-enroll sa course na to dahil marami siyang kasama na freebies na pwedeng for personal use or for resell. So more than 4,000 PLR and MRR digital products ang freebies na kasama once you avail the course. At hindi lang yan, may free coaching at weekly webinars pa na free din kung i-avail mo yung course ngayon. So lahat yan makukuha nyo lang for as low as 3,498 pesos or $65. So kung mag-start ka ngayon na mismo, ito ang goal ko para sa'yo. ang magkaroon ka ng peace of mind, time, and financial freedom. But wait, here's my question lang para sa'yo. Ready ka na ba kumita ng 5 to 6 digits a month? If yes, then let's do this. Isa to sa mga magandang quote na nabasa ko para sa'yo. A little progress adds up to a big result. So kung nakaabot ka hanggang dito, ngayon pa lang, congratulations na. Dahil magkakaroon ka ng 200 pesos discount as a reward. So instead na 3,498 pesos, magbabayad ka na lang ng 3,298 pesos or $61. Basta screenshot mo lang yung webinar page na to at isend sa IG ko. And ito naman po yung mga payment options natin. So screenshot nyo lang din yung payment confirmation for verification. And reminder, no screenshot, no access. So make sure na sinend nyo po sa aking IG for access. Oh, may reason ka pa ba na to take this very good opportunity? Whatever it is, or kung may mga doubts or questions ka pa din after this webinar, just reach me out on my Instagram and let's address all your concerns. Let's get the life you deserve and have fun at the same time too, while doing your digital journey with me. And I just want to share with you another quote. That risk you're afraid to take could be the one that changes your entire life. So wag kang matakot mag-take ng risk, lalo na kung worth it naman. Sa dami ng matututunan mo at kasama talaga sa pagtatayo ng business ang self-investment because this will help you grow. So with all that, thank you for watching this entire webinar and I hope to see you inside our exclusive community and sana ikaw na rin yung susunod na mag-share ng own testimonials and wins mo. So thank you, good luck, and have a great day.